No, hindi so ko ni balo man terson di mabake. But kanante jalandi. Bi jalo kumansi nanja.
Yeah, because you have no musuka na ma balo bukade.
Exactly. Thank you. I have a very good heart ni alonko binatana, and then I come to a conclusion ni alonko. Ni arms diamutana. So arms ko alate DNA test di fadi mala. And then he's ready to pura take care. And then inka ko muko kendo, although te amonte ka jaros because if nate yala fan ko lafta ka chance yala cause na kanu tete after ni kwole na fi me alon ko if even not sure you do the same thing cause amandia ila boyfriend me kanu I left friend no kono yeah understand so lafta le yo like commuter DNA ya long jumale du mu fama yeah understand Pabulo na lon ko maybe o manke dum fama ya bula ja love life enjoy so Pablo te fa nunca so you come on there and then I know Pablo te la love sacrifice pour ite so ko nana talon ko kono le bela o dum fama ka di mo ya understand
Mariam jumale ki antia
moment ki answer no boyfriend not obviously we have to talk about things
you have to talk about things
yes now
normal relationship like
yes
but about me is none of your business.
It's my business. Listen to me. Ite mun tell a friend that ask mun tell a boyfriend. Ajiba me do look on a ten pam.
What the lady?
Monkey, but I have to fight for you.
Who asked you to fight for me?
Me.
Yourself.
Yeah.
Maliki.
Nenda ka loyenen. Lafta ka amadi responsibility ta mi anon ka keka and you are so young.
Jumalo ko arms like it. Munat ni arms. Always. Like you people are on my neck.
I'm not on your neck. Listen to me.
Make it sama. Then tell the DNA test is none of your business. So come to my arms. That time when what you call it? I'm saying from them plan ka. Nindi nga abort.
Atake la jang. Nindi ya abort. Atake la yeba to fight the one nimba change kanka ke moti. Imala jumala fama mo ko ita DNA test ka faka abort. Di ba abort la minto?
On top my own bit.
On top your own bella sa you know about this baby. For me.
Okay, ni kita lutan aja belum.
So na tonya tenke kalo na berol be jiso ka bebila na loko. Ita po ne ngole be te jiso ka.
Ani am plan kila about ni at kono ni alanga ende kala ndingo fama. Odi na no fanga ifa na kana.
Pero ya decide.
Wala kisa yata. Ay wulu na nyimbi amanta ke mo fama ti fo mi alonko. Musola ID card.
And like inte fo bi man na pour mi yeso. I know how always ite ka tere nyane.
Fe man nan dimiti. Imo kiling eta sitanga. Kata Pablo ya kilim ko di nga tala tamu yela raran ke yela dala ya kilim ko ngotan sa imo kilim ko vela sirnya ka funya ko arms ya tinan tata Pablo ya ngana dignity na class din ka ta ko senai
man tero moy kan ko te mo min poki nalo na so na ni lo ko be you love Pablo ye Pablo I know inte te lo mbakele I know my friends I know man te man stupid ite lafta Pablo la I'm saying no ma cause I offending women so they can't understand. Listen to me. No, let's like be real with you. Say nata jala first time nata kanyam ne approach nyam jisa kilia la tra ne approach na cause they left the arms. No, listen to me. I'm not a bad idea. Although it's not good, imanya no ko Pablo frame me alon ka dingote. Itele alon mi ko na. Yeah.
Say muna ne kata arms.
Arms. Ita mo kilo wala bak suspect the arms lala. Arms ko ani yelal te don't deny it no.
Demani arms ya.
So just to do this one favor for us, you are who? Me purnina ke kanong, yeah? Yeta ye DNA test me I'm willing even you will listen to me even you will you give me the baby. But take care and tell arms nim futu da ke mol dingo. Take a single mother at times sometimes you don't can jibe akanana ya. But abodin nimbabe bondile kamba sambala school mako bekela. So nailo manka idea intialo at this point of your life imalaf kabata. But give back to this baby. I'm Stalom. I'm ready to put na take care.
You are very selfish.
No, I'm your friend. I want
you
to
are
help
not my friend. You are my enemy. Bila for ngalo to. Ngame musol. Isa di mo keno ko. Tefa di am style ko na
I cannot do that.
Ngata libo nga bata di nga na wulu nga di ni.
Kasi man la fa left abort just few minutes ago. Ko ba abort la tedi do ni I will tell be sa mala police. It's alone ko tell me the real enemy be sa mala police.
You are very selfish.
No problem.
Itante
na temela muna kete imanta jani idin kyo ela imanta prove imanta boro ta yami foye ba tu foko no ekele ko ba di woni fam tele be soro na ne sa police o te mo foye ba filo kon tele me le real enemy ni ma ko ka ka fon company am snap like ni na ki de an man na fa ta kala fa ba di un tekela te na ka la kan ni dunga abort